Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's having a good week. So glad you dropped by. This afternoon I'm down here in my garage and I need to do some mowing out in the yard, and I said, well, I need to take the blades off the lawnmower. I hadn't sharpened them this year, and boy have I not. I mean, now it's no secret that I treat this thing like an army tank. But boy, it is dull, and I've cut some grooves in there somehow or another on both blades. And if y'all can see that or not. And the cutting edges, we have butter knives sharper than that. And if you hear something running in the background, the air conditioning's running because it's like 96 here and don't want to turn it off. So I'm gonna give it a shot trying to sharpen these things, and I'm trying something different this year. If y'all can see that little grinder attachment on my drill, it's supposed to cut it at the right angle. So I'm gonna put these things in the vise and show you what it does. I'm gonna get me some safety glasses on, and let's see how it does sharpening the blades. I'll have a link for this thing in the description if it works. If not, y'all will never hear another word of it. So let me grab some safety glasses over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to sharpen them. And I've had this vise for 35 years. So here's the cutting edge. See if y'all can see what I'm looking at there. There we go. So what you're supposed to do, have it on high speed, and the cutting edge starts here and runs out here at this angle. So let's see what it does. Now you can use a file or a benchtop grinder or whatever. That's what I normally do, use as a benchtop grinder, but I've seen somebody on YouTube using one of these. And the little blue plastic part, it's supposed to ride along the bottom of the blade. Boy, it's cutting it off there. Huh. Something. And I'll let it cool for just a second, although it's not terribly hot. The lighting is not great down here, so for some reason. Y'all see the cutting edge there? Let's hit a little bit more. Look straight bottom. Now I think what I need to do now is either take a file to this bottom edge or take it to my bench grinder. But let me show you what the other side looks like. I mean, there's no cutting edge whatsoever there. Let's stick it in the vise here. Alright. That's looking good too. All I'm doing is keeping it flat. Okay, it's getting a little bit of an edge on it now. Run this thing down it again. Alright. Let's look at it now. If y'all can see that edge now on both sides. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I've got an edge on both sides. Feels pretty good too. Got to make sure it's balanced. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a screwdriver. Now, a lot of people like put a nail on the wall or get one of the little balance deals that you set on a table. I just got a screwdriver. If you have one heavy side, it's going to ease down. See what it's doing? This side right here is just a tad bit heavy. And tad is layman's term for just a little. Let me turn it over this way and double check myself. It ain't too bad though. We're going to call that one good. Now I will take it over to the bench grinder and grind that off right there a little bit, I think. I don't know what I got into. I must have got into a heavy stick or a rock or something. Alright, I'll bring you back in just a minute. Alright? Second blade is worse than the first one. Got some gouges cut out in it, but I've cut as much of it off as I'm comfortable with. But I got a pretty good edge on. And it's still hot. So pretty good edge. So I believe that's the last sharpening for the year on those blades. I'll pick me up a new set of them, but that's the little tool that I was using right there, and it's, you can take this screw out on top, flip it over if the stone gets wore out. I can't remember what it cost, but I just got it chucked up in my drill on second speed, and did a fine job. There'll be a link for it in the description. I'm gonna get these blades back on the mower, get it all fueled up, check the oil, the tire pressure and all that, and sometime tomorrow morning I'll start mowing, because it's been a rough week and I just don't feel like it. So, but I wanted to get this part done. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope you get something out of it. Be careful. Watch your fingers. Watch your eyes. Don't do this without safety glasses on. But anyway, hope y'all like this video. Hope you get something out of it. Leave me a comment and a question if you've used this tool before. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Get me up to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 961 right now. We'll try to keep putting this content out for you. I got another video in the works. But I hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.